Hi there, this is Maxie Gluckman from the Center for Engaged Teaching. I'm here to give you a quick overview of Google Drive or Google Suite so you can understand a little bit about the functionalities that it offers you. If at any time you're interested in learning more, please contact us and we'd be happy to help as a center. Google Drive and Google Suite can offer you a lot of functionalities for collaboration, as well as working with your students and managing files. As you can see on your Google Drive homepage, you can create folders that help you organize the different material that you're going to include. If you don't have access to a UC San Diego Drive, please contact your ITS person so that they can set you up, or contact us and we'd be happy to help. Within Google Drive, you can use a lot of the same functionalities you might be familiar with in your Microsoft Suite. For example, if I go into CET projects, I've created 4 sample documents for our review. We have Google Docs, which is very similar to Microsoft Word. Inside of Google Docs, you can create a document and collaborate with a bunch of different members of your team. You can share this with them. You can be working synchronously and asynchronously, and it's going to constantly be saving, so you will never have to worry about saving different versions or losing your progress if your computer were to die or you did not bring it to work that day. In addition, Google Drive has something called Google Sheets. Google Sheets is very similar to Excel that you would have had in Microsoft Suite, and has all of the major functionalities. You can use this for work with students if you wanted them to be able to link, for example, a video assignment. You wanted them to share that link so they didn't have to all send you emails. You can use it between collaborators and professors if you wanted to work on something together, data analysis. All of those basic functionalities that you'll have in Excel are accessible on Google Sheets as well. Google Slides is a feature that's very similar to Microsoft PowerPoint, but allows you to manage your presentations online and therefore have access to them at any moment in time. So if you're transitioning between computers, you don't have to use a USB device anymore. You can just use Google Slides, open up your account, and be able to access any of the presentations that you have. This is also great because you can share the presentations with students afterwards. You can change the sharing settings and share a link with them that allows them to view it in only view-only mode so that they cannot make edits to it, but they can see your presentations after the class itself. The last functionality we're going to talk about today is Google Forms. If you're ever interested in getting feedback from your students or creating a form to understand what some of their needs may be, or for an upcoming meeting in your department, you can create a Google form. Google Forms are simply used for multiple choice questions. You can create checkboxes, drop downs, linear scales, dates, times. There's a lot of different ways that you can use a Google form, and you would just add your questions as you go. And when you share it, people will be able to answer these questions. You can share it via email or copy the link, and they'll be able to submit their responses. When they've submitted their responses, you'll be able to view them in the responses column. In that responses column, you can view them all together. You can actually export it into a spreadsheet, a Google Sheet, to view all of those responses together. This has been a very brief overview of Google Drive, or sometimes it's referred to as Google Suite, which is your online way of accessing, creating, storing, and editing different materials and collaborating with teams. If you're interested in learning more, please contact the Center for Engaged Teaching at cet@ucsd.edu.